The line graph shows the changes in electricity consumption in a city from 2016 to 2021. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features, and make comparisons where relevant. The line graph illustrates the fluctuations in electricity consumption in a city over a period of 5 years, from 2016 to 2021.
Initially, in 2016, electricity usage stood at approximately 150 million kilowatt-hours. A marked increase was observed in the subsequent years, with consumption rising steadily to reach around 200 million kilowatt-hours by 2018. This surge can be attributed to factors such as population growth and the expansion of commercial activities. In 2019, the trend continued upward, peaking at nearly 250 million kilowatt-hours. However, from 2020 onwards, a noticeable decline in electricity usage became evident, with figures dropping to about 220 million kilowatt-hours by 2021. This downturn may reflect increased energy efficiency measures and a shift towards renewable energy sources. Overall, the graph highlights a significant upward trajectory in electricity consumption over the first half of the period, followed by a gradual decline. This pattern underscores the dynamic interplay between urban development and energy conservation efforts.
Paragraph by paragraph breakdown. Paragraph 1 Introduction introduces the topic of the line graph. States the time frame, 2016 to 2021, and the subject, electricity consumption. Overview, summarizes the general trend observed in the data. Highlights the initial increase followed by a decline. Paragraph 2 discusses the initial electricity consumption in 2016 and the steady increase until 2018. Attributes the increase to population growth and commercial expansion. Paragraph 3 details the peak consumption in 2019 and the subsequent decline starting in 2020. Suggests reasons for the decline, such as energy efficiency measures and a shift to renewables. Conclusion recaps the overall trends of increasing consumption followed by a decrease. Emphasizes the relationship between urban development and energy conservation efforts. Contrast between introduction and conclusion. Introduction focuses on presenting the data and setting up the analysis of trends in electricity consumption. Conclusion summarizes the findings and reflects on the implications of the trends, highlighting the broader context of urban development and energy conservation. Paraphrases. 1. Electricity consumption stood at approximately 150 million kilowatt-hours. Electricity usage was around 150 million kilowatt-hours. The consumption of electricity reached nearly 150 million kilowatt-hours. 2. A marked increase was observed. A significant rise was noted. A clear upward trend was detected. 3. This downturn may reflect increased energy efficiency measures. This decline could be indicative of enhanced energy-saving initiatives. This reduction might suggest improved energy efficiency practices. 4. Electricity consumption. Electricity usage. With consumption. Increased energy efficiency. Renewable energy resources. Energy conservation efforts. 5. Rising steadily. Surge. Peaking at. A remarked increase. Collocations. Electricity consumption. Marked increase. Significant rise. Peak consumption. Gradual decline. Energy efficiency measures. Renewable energy sources. Urban development. Phrasal verbs. Rise steadily. Drop to. Reach a peak. Shift towards. Related phrases. Population growth. Commercial activities. Energy conservation efforts. Dynamic interplay. Consumption figures.
Thank you for watching. Please give us like, share, comment, and subscribe for more useful videos. Bye.